on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sunday, the 15th of January, just about 5:30 p.m. on the East Coast. Waiting for the stock market futures to open up here. We're going to look at Casper today. Just put out a pretty cool video regarding Tastyworks, the trading platform, the broker involving cryptocurrency. So there's 25, I believe the number was. 25 different cryptos you can trade right now over on Tastyworks. Trading platform, broker. Check that video out and check out Tastyworks if you have not yet already. So we're looking at Casper, guys. We have had one hell of a pump in the past couple days, past week or so. For Casper, things are cooling off here. I mentioned that in one of the last videos I put out. Wouldn't be surprised to see things cool off for at least a short period of time before resuming the trend higher. RSI, little overbought. Things are looking a little lofty, but I don't think it'll last very long. Of course, that's just my opinion. So from the bottom for Casper, off of our 262 level, 0.0262 to current prices, 28% move in roughly, let's see how many days that was, roughly to today. Call that 26 days, just under a 1 month time frame for a 28% move to where we are currently trading at 332. Not too bad, 28% in a month. So guys, what's going on here? Well, we finally broke out past the 310 level. If you've been watching the Casper videos, been talking about 310 for a while, definitely going all the way back to here, the 26th of November, where we had a massive pump and big old candle wick closing below 363, 334, and then ultimately 310. And then we traded sideways from basically the 27th of November all the way until we had the next test of that line, which was the 5th of January, which was only a few days ago. And then finally, guys, we broke out past the 310 level on the 13th of January. And boy, was that a strong breakout. Testing investors' nerves the next day on the 14th. With a big candle range, we traded up to 354 and a low of 303. That is a big range that day. Lots of volatility. That was basically, guys, a 14% trading range that day. Pretty wild trading range that day on the 14th, of January. And we are currently at one of our other levels above the market, 334.0334. That's right here on the chart. It's this white line on the chart. We also had a support at that area back here in October, circled there in yellow on the left-hand side. That's the same price level we are currently at, 0.0334. And it is resistance. Why is it resistance? Because we are below it, and we closed below it. We closed below it yesterday, the 15th of January. We had a candle close of 331, and that level is at 334. So we traded up to that level, closed below it. That is current resistance. And then once again today, which is the 15th of January, 5:30 p.m., we are trading right now at 332, so we are just below that level. So that is resistance until we can get a close back above that, and you can see as price whipsaws around that 334 level, that is resistance. Let's go back to a daily chart here. So what am I looking for? Well, before today's candle, so we'll go back to the 14th candle. We're actually on the 16th candle right now. So we'll go back to this red candle right here, which was in theory today, the 15th right here. So I was looking at this morning, and I had a feeling that let me get rid of this watch list here and let me zoom in so you guys can get a better view. There we go. So I thought this candle in the early morning hours was going to pull back to the 310 level and ideally find support there. Didn't quite make it there, which is fine. That's more bullish than I thought it was going to be. And the reason why I would look for a support at 310 is, one, because it's a important price level below the market. So as price approaches, I look for support. And two, it is old current resistance as a highlight here in the box. So as price, let me get that box back. As price breaks out past this resistance line, I want to see if the price does pull back like I thought it was going to on the 15th candle. I want to see the price stop at that area, in and around that area, and turn it into support before moving higher. So just basic TNA, turning resistance into support. So as price breaks out and we have a pullback here, I want to see the price find support within this range, because one, it correlates with all of these highs here, and two, it correlates with our 310 level, which should act as support because it's below the market. And then when things are ready to move higher. So right now we are back above our 335 level. So the price might not make it down to 310. It might have already had the pullback and it's ready to launch again right now, or right at this price area. Let me clean this up for you guys here. Clean this chart up. So I hope everybody is enjoying the move higher in the cryptocurrency markets. Hopefully, if you're bullish, you are positioned correctly. You've had plenty of time to be buying the dip, as they say, and buying the lows. Many cryptos are down over 90% from their last high, guys, the last major move higher. So if you're looking for a better deal than that, I'm not sure what to tell you. So we could find support right here at 335, like I said. The price is tightening up. There is energy building, and it could be ready for that next pop to the upside. If that takes place, we have another level above the market, guys. That is 363. 0.0363 would be the next major level. I would look for price to potentially find some resistance and use it as a target. If the price doesn't stop there and it blasts through that, we want to look for a break above this high over here, which is the 26th of November. That high is 381. The price could find a little bit of resistance at that level. Doesn't mean it will, but I would keep an eye on it as price approaches. And then our next target above the market is 415. 0.0415. Way up in there. Percentage basis from where we're currently at, we are sitting perfectly at 335 right now. So if we get up to that next major level up there, which gets us above this high on the 26th, that is another 20, call it 23, 24% move to the upside. So we could be, and it's showing, until proven otherwise, we are in the very early stages of a big breakout here. A broad breakout, not just in Casper, not just in XRP or XLM. Bitcoin, the Bitcoin futures, Bitcoin Cash have all been breaking past major important levels. So we'll see if it holds. Like I said, things are slightly lofty right now. So any kind of pullback is expected. The key is, if and when we pull back, we want to see price find support at old resistance. So if price pulls back here to that 310 level, we want to see it. We want to see buyers step in at that level and support, for this example, Casper, and get ready for that next leg higher. That would also be a higher low. So we would have a very strong confirmed change in trend. So it's a very broad-based rally right now. So we got to see if it holds. Patience, patience, patience. Pay attention to those levels. If and when pullbacks show up, I wouldn't be surprised, like I said, if they do. So far, the pullbacks have been quickly rebounded, and they actually have some nice candle wicks below, and they're getting supported. So we'll see. Maybe this is all we're going to see for a pullback, and we're going to get that next spring to the upside. Guys, welcome to the channel. Appreciate all of the new subs. If you are not yet subscribed, consider doing so. Hit the thumbs up. Helps the video get in front of other viewers who want to see content like this. And let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Catch you guys in the next video. Have a great night. Like I said, I think it was in this video, markets are closed, stock market tomorrow for Martin Luther King Day. Market futures will be open tonight, I believe, at 6 p.m. As always, crypto trades around the clock, so no worries over there. You can go buy and sell your favorite cryptos, which is one of the many perks of this market. All right, guys, take care.